Let's unbox the all-new NutriMax Slow Juicer. Inside, you get everything you need to start juicing. Whether it is putting the parts together or using the machine every day, DYLECT NutriMax is easy to assemble and completely effortless to operate. Enabled with silent crush technology, it is a juicer which is designed for your everyday juicing convenience. From tough fruits to leafy greens, it handles it all. Slow juicer designed for a fast life. Built for you.